I don't know what that guy was talking about. He said I wouldn't have to worry about food, but I'm starving.
Please stay a while.
I'm kinda in a hurry, ma'am.
Oh, at least stay for dinner.
Huh? Dinner? Oh, yeah. It's been so long since I've been hungry because I ate that piece of King Yema's special fruit. But it's been over 3 months now. Excuse me, King Kai. My name is Goku. I'd like to train under you if you'll accept me. Listen, I'm kind of hungry, sir. Could I have a piece of that fruit before we start? Get him to tell you the truth.
You're welcome to go home if you want.
Oh, no. Come to think of it, I haven't eaten since I left Princess Snake's place. Darn. Would it be okay if we ate before we continued?
Crystals! They're so shiny. Beautiful.
Who cares what they look like? How do they taste? Berries! Hey, Goten, wait up!
They're all over. There must be thousands.
Easy, here, check me out!パパ、やり直すんじゃなかったの？
冗談だよ、冗談。
本当に反省してんの？
ほらもう腹ペコペコだ。
さあ皆さん、ホテルはなくなりましたが、豪華な食事は残りました。どうぞ食事の続きを楽しんでください。
Food.
So, all we did was delay the inevitable, huh?
All right, they're both resting comfortably. They'll be back on their feet soon. Now let's get some food in you. Can't fight on an empty stomach.
Go on, Krillin.